I've been in the learning and development industry for about 14 years. I joined Ineos Automotive 2 years ago and embarked on a journey as the training manager. Previous to that, I was an apprentice mechanic, and then I moved into race cars, luxury vehicles, and then into technical training. From there, I became the training manager for a large automotive firm in the UK. Ineos is really well known for being a plastics, hygienics, chemicals manufacturer, and for our sporting endeavours. But in the last year, we launched a vehicle called the Grenadier. We started on the journey with VPS to assess our training needs and determine what we really needed to do in our first 12 months of training delivery. For this, we chose e-learning because we could reach 44 markets in really quick time. It was affordable and there was ease of access for all of the delegates. We didn't want to stay with e-learning alone, so we've looked at moving into all of the other disciplines. So we have face-to-face training, we have virtual training, and we have e-learning to complement it. So we decided to make our training engaging, interactive, and an adventure. Our vehicles are built for a task. They can take you anywhere in the world, so the training needs to be able to take you anywhere in the world. The only place that we could take people across the world is to have our own island. We wanted the island to be a place which was a social and a learning experience. We needed it to be really immersive. This is the reason why we chose to use virtual reality. On our island, we have a virtual pub for social. We have a virtual training room, and we have places to explore with bite-sized learning. We want the island to be a place that means that they can come back on their own time, 24/7, to do the learning which is interesting and insightful. So we don't want to remove people from their workspace unnecessarily. Training does take away the time in the partnership, which can be costly, and we get the flexibility with a virtual training space that we can put them into our training environment without having to remove them from their partnership. So to make sure we have effective training from the virtual space, we track engagement to see what gets people's attention and what doesn't. We then tailor the training to make sure we engage everybody. Our goal is to create training which is interesting and brings people back. The L&D industry seems to have gone from bite-sized learning to AI to on-demand to all of these different trends. We don't want to follow a trend, we want to be able to implement all the different types of learning that are available to us. So we do our e-learning, we do a virtual classroom, we do a face-to-face training. None of it's got any less or more value than the other. They're all equal. They're all really good at what they do. You just have to find the best part of the engagement from it.